In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Fortnite account. If you're using your PC, your Android, your iPhone, ensure you watch through what I'm going to show you right now. Open up your browser, type in fortnite.com, right? So this is the fortnite.com official site. So once I've opened it up, click on this, click on sign in, right? Wait for it to open up. So if you don't have an account, this is what's going to do. Click on this create an account. So click on this no. So select this, make sure it's correct, right? Make sure it's correct, please make sure it's correct. So I can just type in this, click on continue. Now make sure you fill in these details, right? And it should be correct. So once you are done, you're going to click on this. You're going to click on this, right? Select this. Now you're going to see continue. Once I've entered everything successfully, click on the continue. Once I've clicked on it, wait for it to open up, right? Once it's opened up, you're going to be sent a verification code in your email, right? So copy the verification code, use it to verify your account. Once you're done, you're going to be able to create your account successfully. If you find this video, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.